So in this video, we are going to learn how to auto-generate blogs from YouTube videos. So if you are creating any kind of informative content on YouTube, this video is for you. So in this video, we are going to see how you can set up a simple automation using which whenever you are going to publish a video on your YouTube channel using AI platforms like ChatGPT, OpenAI or any other AI tool, you can generate a blog for the same video which we have published using the title and the description of that video. And after generating the blog, you can post the same blog on multiple platforms like WordPress, Facebook or any other platform of your choice. If you want to learn how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. Now, whenever I publish a new video on my YouTube channel, I want to generate an article, a blog using AI for the same video using their titles and description, and I want to automatically post that blog on my WordPress site. Now to do this, we have to connect our YouTube channel with AI tools like ChatGPT or OpenAI and also with WordPress. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I want to name it as YouTube to OpenAI to WordPress. And then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow and click on Create. Now after clicking on Create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So the idea here is, first we are going to connect our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we publish a new video on our YouTube channel, automatically the details of that newly published video will be captured inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that video like title, description and video link to ChatGPT or OpenAI. And using ChatGPT, we are going to generate a blog. We are going to write an article for the same video. And in that article, we are also going to embed the YouTube video which we have published. And after getting the blog from ChatGPT, we are going to post the same article, the same blog on our WordPress site. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose Apps, search for YouTube and select it. After selecting YouTube in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new video in channel with video URL. After selecting the trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with YouTube button. Select your YouTube account. After that, just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our YouTube account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the channel ID. Now here in this dropdown, you will see all the YouTube channels which you have in this YouTube account. So here on my YouTube account, I have only one channel named as Demo Channel. That's why in this dropdown, you can see only one option. Now here we have to select the channel from which we want to get the newly published video. So I want to get the new video which I am publishing on this particular channel. So we have selected that. After selecting the channel, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you will see we are going to receive some response from YouTube. As you can see, we have received it. And in this response, you will see the details of the last video, the most recent video which we have published on our YouTube channel. So this was the most recent video, why you should use automation in your business. This is the video which I have published recently on my YouTube channel. This is the title and this is the description of the video. Now in our Pabbly Connect workflow, in this trigger step responses, you will see the details of the same video. Here you can see the video URL, the link of the same video. You can see the embed link of the same video. Like if you want to embed this video somewhere like we are going to do in blog, we have this embed link. After that, you can see some other details related to that. We will scroll down and here you can see the snippet title, the title of the YouTube video which we have published. And then after that, we have the video description as well over here. So in this way, all the details of this video is received. We have the thumbnail URL, we have the date and time, that at what date and time this video was published, and all of that. So in this way, here you can see all the details of the newly published video on our YouTube channel is received inside Pabbly Connect. So whenever we are going to publish a new video, this automation workflow will trigger. Now after this, what we want to do, using the title of the video and its description, video description, we want to basically generate an article. We want to write an article. And in the same article, in the same blog, we want to embed this video which we have published on YouTube. So for that, we will just scroll down, come to this action window, and here in Choose App, we are going to search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, here in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as ChatGPT. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here you can see we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key, the API token of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how we are going to get this API token. So to get it, just go to your OpenAI account and from the left sidebar, go to API keys. Under API keys, here you can see a list of all the API keys which we have created in our OpenAI account. To create a new one, click on this Create New Secret Key button. Give this key a name. Let's say I'll name it as YouTube and click on Create Secret Key. Now after clicking on Create, here you can see the new API key is generated. Copy this from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this, just click on Save. Now when we click on Save, you will see automatically our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, it is asking us to select the AI model. So in this dropdown here, you can see different models of ChatGPT. Out of all of this, we are going to use GPT-4, the best model of ChatGPT, to generate the blog content, to write the blog using the title and the description. After selecting the AI model, it is asking us the prompt. That what is the prompt that we want to give to ChatGPT to write the blog, to write the article. So I have already copied the prompt. Let me paste my prompt over here. So my prompt is, I have published a new video on my YouTube channel and I want you to write a blog on the same topic for my website. Keep the blog in HTML format with proper HTML tags for better formatting. Do not create an HTML page. Just use the HTML tag and also do not start the blog with the title. Also embed the YouTube video in the same blog. So this is the prompt which I'm giving to ChatGPT to generate the blog content using my YouTube video. Now after giving this prompt, I want to add the video title and I'm going to enter the title of the video which we have published on a YouTube channel recently. So we have received the video title and trigger step responses from YouTube. So from these responses, we are going to map this response of video title over here in this ChatGPT, in this OpenAI action step. And to map it, just click on this field and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from the previous step from YouTube trigger. Out of all of these responses, select this response of snippet title and just map it. In this way, we are going to give the prompt to ChatGPT with the video title, video description, and also we are going to give the embed URL. So after video title, I'm going to add the video description. And here we are going to use again the process of mapping from this drop down. Select the response of description and map it over here. After description, we are going to give the embed URL. Embed URL. And then here in trigger step responses, you can see we have received the video URL and also the embed URL. So select and map the response of embed URL as well. In this way, we are going to give all the details of new video which we have published on our YouTube channel over here to ChatGPT so that it can generate the blog and also add our YouTube video, embed our YouTube video in the same blog. After giving this prompt and mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. In this response, we are going to receive the blog content with proper formatting, like here in front of message content. You can see we have the complete blog content, and in the same blog, we have also embedded our YouTube video. Then we have the proper formatting, proper content of our blog for the same video with proper HTML text for formatting as well. So in this way, using ChatGPT, we have generated a blog, an article for the YouTube video which we have published just now. Now after this, what we want to do, we want to post this same blog, we want to post this article on our WordPress site, on our WordPress account. So for that, just scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. Then in Choose App, search for WordPress and select it. After selecting WordPress, an action event from the dropdown, select the action event as Create a Post. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our WordPress account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the login credentials of our WordPress account and the base URL of our WordPress site. So to get the base URL, just log into your WordPress account, and here you can see till WP3, this will be the base URL of your WordPress account. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. And other than this, just enter the username or email and password, the login credentials of your WordPress account. So let me enter it. Okay, so here I have entered the username and password of my WordPress account and entered the base URL. After entering these details, let's click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our WordPress account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the post type. And here in this dropdown, you can see a list of different posts which you can create on WordPress. So here you can see out of all of this, we are going to create a post, normal post, blog post. So I'm selecting post as here. Then after that, it is asking us for the post title, that what will be the title of this new post which we are posting, which we are sharing on WordPress. So we are going to give the title of the post as the title of the video. So we have received the video title in trigger step responses from YouTube. And from trigger responses, once again, we are going to map the response of title over here in this WordPress action. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click here, and in the dropdown, you can see the responses from previous two steps, from YouTube step and also from the OpenAI step. So from YouTube responses, from trigger responses, select and map the snippet title response. After that, it is asking us for the post content, that what will be the content of the post which we want to create. So using ChatGPT, using OpenAI, we have generated the post content. So from OpenAI responses, select this response of message content and map it over here. In this way, whatever content, whatever blog or article OpenAI is going to write us, we are going to create the post on WordPress using the same content, using the same blog. After post content, it is asking us slug and export. So here, both of these details are not received. We haven't received both of these details from any source. So, and both of these fields are also not mandatory, are not required. So if you want, you can ignore these two fields for now. And then after going to or after creating the post on your WordPress account, you can basically enter these details. Then it is asking us status, that what should be the status of this new post which we are creating on WordPress. Do we want the status to be published? Do you directly want to publish the blog? Do you want to keep it for future, draft, pending, or private? So let's say I want to just directly publish the blog on my WordPress site. So you can just select publish over here. If you want to create the blog in draft, let's say you don't want to directly post or publish the blog on your WordPress site, you want to keep it as a draft. In that case, you can select draft or any other action as well. But because right now I just directly want to publish it, so I'm selecting publish. Then it is asking us category ID, tags, and media ID. So all of these details are not mandatory. If you want, you can select a specific category from your WordPress account for this particular post and also add some tags. But I don't want to add any kind of tag, category, tag, or media. So that's why we are just going to turn these mapping button on, and we are going to keep this field as blank. For featured media ID, we are just going to keep it on, and we are going to clear this default response. After clearing the default response, it is asking us for the format. And here you can see from the dropdown, we have different formats over here. Out of all of this, I'm going to select the standard format, but you can select any other format of your choice. Then it is asking us some other details like ping status, comment status, author ID, sticky, password, and all of these details. So these details are not mandatory, are not required. So if you want, you can ignore these details or select the details according to your choice. Let's say who will be the author of this particular post. So I want the author to be admin, so I'm selecting admin. If you want any other author, you can select from this drop down as well. And after entering all the details, after selecting everything, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see we have received some response. In this response, you can see all the details related to the post which we have just now created. So this response is a positive response which shows that with the content and the title which we have given over here, using these details, a new post is created in our WordPress account. So let's check it. We will go to our WordPress account, we'll go to the post section. And yes, here you can see just now with the same title which we had on our YouTube video, with the same title, a post is created in our WordPress account, or it is posted from our WordPress site. We'll just click on this view button, and in a new tab, you can see this post is open. This post is created, and this is related to the same video which we have posted on our YouTube channel. Here you can see the same title of the video as the post title. We can have the content, and also in this post you will see the video. Our YouTube video is also embedded over here. We'll just click on it and you will see it is the exact same video playing on YouTube. Then after that, here you can see some other details or some content of the blog generated by AI on the same topic. So we have successfully created this automation workflow using which, just by publishing the video on our YouTube channel, using ChatGPT, we can automatically generate a blog for that video and post the blog on our WordPress account. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. We'll go to a YouTube channel and I'm going to upload another video on my YouTube channel. So I'll just select the video and start uploading it. After uploading this video, what we are going to do, I'm going to add a description of this video as well. So I have already copied the description. I'll just paste it over here. And after pasting the description, let's publish this video on our YouTube channel. So I'll just go to next and public. So just now we have published a new video on our YouTube channel. After publishing this video, we will see within 10 minutes, this automation workflow will trigger. Now, it basically takes 10 minutes of time for this automation to trigger because the connection of YouTube and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new videos on our YouTube channel every 10 minutes. So we will see after 10 minutes automatically for the same video, a blog will be posted on our WordPress account. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now we'll go to a WordPress account and refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see just now a new post is created on our WordPress account with the same title of our video, Enhance Business Efficiency Through Automation. We'll just open this blog in a new tab and here you can see we have the blog on the same topic on which we have uploaded the YouTube video. And here you can see in the same blog, our YouTube video which we have published is also embedded over here. And we have some other details related to the same video as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this exact same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.